Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pondok Abang. Today I'm here at our 1J Clooney outlet located at Singapore Botanical Garden, Nasim Gate. Okay guys, Abang by Pondok Abang. So what's for breakfast today guys? Today I'm here 9:30 in the morning, feeling very hungry. So I'm looking forward to having lontong for breakfast today. Now I'm going to show you how we prepare our famous lontong dish here at 1J Clooney. Come. Let me show you how we make our lontong here at Abang by Pondok Abang. First and foremost, of course, you need a plate, guys. Tak ada plate, macam mana mau makan, kan? Then we'll take a boiled lontong, okay, guys? Let me switch this. Let's cut it up. Okay, we'll cut it up like this. Cut it up like this. Okay, guys? So we'll take one piece, okay? One piece. Okay? So, guys, for lontong, definitely you will need this telur. You need the tahu. Okay guys, telur and tahu here. Fresh sayur here. Okay. Fresh sayur here. And the gravy guys. Okay. Alright. Most importantly is the sambal tumis guys. Finally, the serunding. Okay. So guys, this is how you make our famous lontong here at Abang by Pondok Abang. If you haven't tried it out, we are waiting for you to come and taste our heritage food since 1990. Guys, sedap. Come on down. Try it for yourself, okay? Especially for those who are around town, come down here. One of the places where you can get reasonable food, reasonable price, drinks also. 1J Clooney Road, Nasim Gate, okay?
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.